Hello students, how are you? I am Vaishali Mukashi. You know that exams of first year, second year are cancelled. So all of you are going to appear directly to second year. This is the third lockdown period. In this period, you may worry about your studies and exams. Therefore, teachers will give online lectures. From tomorrow, I am going to start lecture on programming with Python. On WhatsApp group, I will share the videos, and by watching these videos, you are going to learn the Python programming. So this short-term course is Python programming for beginners, which will be covered in this lockdown period. The important thing is you are going to do the practical on your mobile or your PC or laptop. First, I will share a video that will teach you how to install Python on your mobile or on your laptop. By following the instructions, you are going to download Python interpreter, and using this you are going to learn the Python and that is work with Python. Okay. Now I am going to show you some topics you are going to learn in this short-term course. Okay. So note down the syllabus. The first chapter will be the introduction to Python. In this chapter, you are going to learn installation and working with Python. Everything detail are going to uploaded on videos, and following that you can install the Python. After that, we are going to work with Python. Okay. Some basic fundamentals of Python, which is a programming language. This is same as C language, where you are going to do some basic programs. Okay. So you need to understand some fundamentals of Python. So you will learn about Python variables, Python basic operators, Python blocks, then in second chapters you are going to learn about data types in Python. We will learn how to declare the variables, what are the data types. Then we are going to use string data type and string operations. We are going to define list and list slicing. What is list? What is list slicing? Okay. So only note down some things which are important to know before starting this course. Okay. Third chapter is Python program flow control. In this chapter you are going to learn conditional blocks such as if-else statement, else-if statement, their syntax, and we are going to see many examples which will teach you how to use these conditional blocks. Simple for loop using ranges, string, list and dictionaries, use of while loops in Python, and so on. Then fourth chapter, which is last chapter, where you are going to learn Python functions, modules and packages. It will include organizing Python codes using functions, organizing Python projects into modules, importing own module as well as external modules, understanding packages, powerful Lambda functions in Python, programming using functions, modules and external packages. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Okay.